Namaste everyone. Welcome to second PUC physics class. We were in digital electronics, right? We have studied AND and OR operation. That is in digital circuits. Namaste everyone. Welcome to the digital world today. We have already studied some terms like what is a digital signal, suddenly varying signal, right? Discrete values of signal. In between variations we don't know. Suddenly from 0 volt to 5 volt, 0 to 1. 5 volt is taken as one state. It is taken as digital one, right? And 5 to 0, 1 to 0. So any high voltage is taken as state 1 or digital 1. Any low voltage is taken as digital 0. So you can just code it using ones and zeros. So we have studied what is digital circuit or digital signal, analog signal which varies continuously with time, and we have seen some logic circuits. What are logic circuits? Electronic circuits, logical operations, some as we have multiplication, division, subtraction and all, we have logical operations happening in the computer. So logic gates. What is a gate? Gate is a circuit. It will allow the output or it will not allow the output. That's why it is called a gate. Gate is a logical electronic circuit which performs some logical operations. What are the main logical operations that we have seen? We have seen three types of logical operations, and they are realized using certain electronic circuit, and that's why they are called logic gates. Electronic circuits. One is the OR operation, OR gate, and it is represented by plus, right? And AND operation, AND gate, and the third one is NOT gate. So one by one we will see. OR gate, we will revise OR gate, AND gate, and finally we will go to the NOT gate. Yes, so we have realized them in a circuit, and we have given I have given a electrical circuit to remember it, but it is not the actual logic circuit that we have inside the computer. So for example, we will start from here. We will use the full board today. OR gate. OR gate is a digital logic circuit which is found inside the computers and calculators which will perform OR operation. What do you mean by OR operation? If any one of the input is 1, that is high voltage, definitely you will get the high voltage at the output. If any 1 volt input is 1, output is 1. Either A or B or C or D or all are 1, output is 1. So symbol for OR operation is Y is equal to, symbol is like this. So when you just pronounce OR, you see the lips, right? You see your face. OR, it will be like a pig, right? It will be moving forward. OR. So it is looking like a pig, face of the pig, or a mouse like this. So A, B, A or B, that is output. A or B. Then, yes. Now, how do you write the truth table? All possible combinations of inputs and outputs. How do you write it in a truth table? So this is for inputs and this is for outputs. Inputs, this is output, and this is A, B, Y is equal to A or B. We are writing the OR operation. Okay. All possible combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. I have told already that you have to toggle this every now and then, but this is toggled once in two times. So in any one of the input is 1, definitely output is 1. If both are 1, either A or B or both, then when both are off, you don't get the output. And how do you remember it using a circuit? You have two parallel switches like this, two switches in parallel, and then a bulb and a battery. The bulb will glow only if either I'll bring the bulb a little down. Yes, this is the bulb, and here should be a battery. Yeah, either A or B or both switches are on, the bulb will be on. Okay, but don't write this at all in the exam. What is AND gate? AND gate is a digital logic circuit. When you say AND, see your face, right? It will be stretched like a smiley. So AND gate is a digital logic circuit which gives output 1 when all the inputs are 1. A and B and C and D, everything is on. Otherwise it doesn't give the output 1. So symbol, this is truth table, TT I will write, symbol, and this is logical operation representation. Here symbol is like this. So this is flat and this is curved. Here this is curved, this is more curved like a pig, and this is like a smiley. So this is A, this is B, Y is equal to A and B, A dot B, it is not multiplication, A and B, and what is truth table? All possible combinations of input and output. So I'll write it here, this is okay, inputs, output. Input means whatever we give at the beginning part of the circuit. Okay, this is A, this is B, and this is Y is equal to A dot B, and A is 0, B is 0, all possible combinations 0 1 1 0 1 1. Only when both the inputs are 1 you will get output 1, otherwise output is 0. What is the realization here? All the switches are in series, switch A, switch B, and here is battery, here is bulb. This is just to show you how does it work. See, output will be on only when both the switches are on. If one of the switch is off, gone, circuit is incomplete, no current flows. So when when both A and B are on, output is on. When either A or B is on, output is on. This is the type in which we realize it. So, this in the last class I was saying about this. So in a clear button in the calculator, right? When you press the clear button, what happens is one of the input to the AND gate is 0. That makes output completely 0, irrespective of other inputs. Whatever be the other input, whether the other input is 1, whether the other input is 1, whether the other input is 0, output is 0. If both are 1, then only it is 1. So you can make the clear the screen immediately. So that is AND operation. What is NOT? NOT comes from output is not the input. That from that sentence. NOT gate is a logic circuit which contains only one input and one output. That is the only gate which has got one input and one output. For all the other gates, you will have more than 2 inputs, 1 output. NOT gate is a logic circuit which contains only one input and only one output. Don't confuse the symbol with the diode. The symbol is like this. You don't have a line here. It's very similar to a diode, but you have a bubble here. This is NOT gate. Y is equal to A bar, we write. What do you mean by A bar? A bar says output is not the input. If it is not the input, then which is output? You have only 2 items here. It's a binary system. It's a digital one. Either you should have 0 or 1, right? If output is not the input, then it should be the other one. If the input is 0, output is 1. If the input is 1, output is 0. That's all the possible case. So Y is equal to A bar. Y is equal to A bar means if A is 0, Y is equal to 0 bar is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1 bar is equal to 0. Right? Complementary we use another word called complementary. What do you mean by complementary? Output is the complement of the input. It is the other one of the, or it is not the input. If input is 0, output is not 0. That means 1. If the input is 1, output is not 1, it is 0. It is the complement, reverse of the input. So that is what we write. Bar means complement. That is not that value, the other value you have to write. So Y is equal to A bar. It is a complement, reverse. Now truth table. What is truth table? Truth table is very simple. You have only one input, one output. Input, output. Input is A, output is Y is equal to A bar. If this is 0, output is 1. If this is 1, that is 0. That is the truth table. All possible combinations. Because you have only one input and one output. Only input combinations possible are 1 and 0. That's all. So that is NOT gate. Of course, if you want a similar circuit like this, I will give you a circuit which is, I think you can see this, right? I will give you a circuit which is not at all a circuit, right? It's a wrong circuit because nobody will construct it like this. You connect a parallel battery like this and a parallel switch here. When you switch it on, short, because this is simply a wire, right? But fortunately this wire is open. Now bulb is safe because current flows through only bulb. Battery has to supply current to the bulb only. If this is switched on, so bulb is on. When the switch is off, bulb is on, output. This is A. When switch is off, bulb is on. Switch is on, short. When the battery is in short circuit, heavy current flows through the battery and the bulb is fused. Bulb burns. The coil inside the bulb will get very high current. The coil burns and bulb is off. And if you want to check the circuit once again, you have to go for a new bulb, right? But still, that can be used to realize what type of gate it is. So it is not the output. Actually, a transistor, a three-terminal device, that is semiconductor. In the last class, I was talking about that. A transistor acts like a NOT gate. If you give the input, output is 0. If you don't give the input, output is 1. So it is a logic circuit whose output is complement of the input. NOT gate is a logic circuit whose output is complement of the input. That is reverse of input. And output is not the input. That is why the name NOT gate. So it is like this. But don't write these circuits at all. Don't write this. This is only to explain or understand it. Actual fact inside the computer is entirely different. They are all semiconductor devices and electronic circuits. Okay, so this you may get these questions for 1 mark, 2 marks, or in the series. Write the truth table of AND gate, OR gate, or NOT gate. Write the symbol of AND gate, OR gate, or NOT gate. And how do you write it in the form of equation? Y is equal to A or B, OR gate, A and B, A dot B, and A bar for NOT gate. And all these things. So either symbol or truth table or operation, very important. Then we will move on. We have few more logic gates. These are called basic logic gates. Basic logic gates are AND, OR, and NOT. Now there are some other logic gates. Combinational logic circuit. What do you mean by combinational logic circuit? Sir, can I connect the output of this logic gate to the NOT gate? Yes, possible. You connect the output of logic gate, OR gate, to the NOT gate like this. So what will be the output here? What happens is, whatever the output you get here will be complemented here, isn't it? So if you connect a NOT gate to the output of OR gate, finally where will you land with you will land with another output. So this 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0. That's all, isn't it? So that is called NOR gate. See the name, NOR. What do you mean by NOT gate? Output of OR gate is not the actual OR gate. NOR, not OR. You have OR gate output. It is not the output. Ulta, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. That's all. That means when one of the input is 1, output is 0. Output is 1 when both are off, not on. Ulta. So that is called NOR gate. So we will have two special gates called NOR gate and NAND gate. Right. I will keep these things with here only. I'll rub these things. NAND and NOR gates are called universal gates. Very important gates they are. Oh, I shouldn't have rubbed this. NOT gate, that is needed. NAND and NOR gates are called universal gates because using NAND and NOR gates you can construct any type of gate. Whether you want OR gate, whether you want NOT gate, whether you want AND gate, whatever the type of gate you want, you can construct it using NAND or NOR gates. So they are called universal gates. Yes, universal gates. What are universal gates? NAND and NOR gates are called universal gates because you can construct any type of gate using NAND and NOR gate. Now, how do you construct NAND gate? This is NOR. I will take NOR. NOR gate. What is NOR gate? If output of OR gate is connected to a NOT gate, the resulting logic circuit is called NOR gate. Output of OR gate, so I will realize it using only symbols. See, this is OR, right? OR. Output of OR gate is connected to NOT gate. You know what is NOT? Which complements the input to the output. It gives output which is not the input. Then the resulting logic circuit is called NOR gate circuit. If this is A, this is B, and if this is A or B, here we get A or B bar. Isn't it? It is a complement. If this is A input, this is A bar. That means if this is 0, this is 1. If this is 1, this is 0. Similarly, it is complemented. So if the input, if the output of OR gate is connected to a NOT gate, the resulting logic circuit is called NOR gate. And if you want the symbol of NOR gate, this is not the symbol. This is the combinational logic circuit. And combinational logic circuit, what do you mean by that? It is the circuit which gives the, it is a circuit constructed using the symbols. Combinational. It is not a, it is individual symbols. What do you mean by, what is a symbol, actual single symbol of NOR gate? Very simple. Symbol of NOR gate. It is like this. So, or should I have written it somewhere else? So it is like this. Or you can see it here. Yes. It is like this. Simply put a bubble here. A, B, and A or B bar is the output. This is how we represent. Simply put a symbol. Of course, this is the combinational logic circuit. What are the logical circuits you have added, combined to get NOR gate? That circuit. But as a symbol, put a NOT gate here. Simply a bubble. That is enough. That means there is a NOT gate here. A plus B bar. So what is the output of NOR gate? It is like this. I will extend this. Yes, 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 yeah. This itself, right? This is complemented, 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 complemented. This is Y A plus B bar. This is NOR and this is OR. So OR gate is a logical circuit obtained by connecting the output of, what did I say? NOR gate is a logical circuit obtained by connecting the output of OR gate to a NOT gate. Then you will get the logic gate like this. This is a universal gate because it can, using this NOR gate, you can construct NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate, everything you can construct. How to construct? We will see it later. Okay, now you go to another universal gate. Another one. So this one and this one. NAND gate. Now how do you construct NAND gate? NAND gate is a digital logic circuit which is obtained by connecting NOT gate to the output of AND gate, which is AND gate now. AND gate is like this. Connect a NOT gate to this output here, you will get NAND gate. This is A, you will show the inputs here, and you know it is only curved here, this is straight, this is not. A, B, and you see here it is A dot B bar, sorry, not bar here, A dot B, it is the AND, here A dot B bar, this is output. Okay, how do you show it in the truth table? This is AND output, now you show it using NAND output. Yeah, NAND here. Y is equal to A dot B bar. That means this is A dot B, this is A dot B bar. Complement this, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is the output. So NAND gate is a logic circuit which gives output which is complement of the AND gate. AND gate output is complemented. Symbol is only an AND gate like this with a bubble here. A, B, Y is equal to A dot B bar. This is how do we do. So, sir, you said that you call NAND gate and NOR gate as universal gate. And again, the questions here, very important. Write the symbol of NAND gate. Write the logic operation of NAND gate. Similarly, NOR gate. Write the truth table of, and when you are asked to write the truth table of NOR gate, you need not write OR, simply write NOR. So write the truth table of NOR gate. Write the truth table of NAND gate. All these questions possible. Symbol, truth table, and combinational logic circuit. How do you construct a NAND gate? Connect the output to the NOT gate and write the symbol like this. Write the truth table. This need not be returned when it is asked for NAND gate only. Now you call them as universal gates, correct? NAND and NOR gates are called universal gates. Prove it. Construct any type of gate using NAND and NOR gates. Let me see what you have to do. Shall I rub this? Yeah, you have to get NAND using NAND and NOR gates, all the types of gates, right? NAND and NOR gates are called universal gates. Using NAND gates, you must be able to get NOT gate. Using NAND gate, you must be able to get OR gate. Using NAND gates, you must be able to get AND gate. And even the other, now NOR gate. Using NOR gate, you must be able to get any other gate. Now how to do this? Very simple. First we will start with the OR gate. Okay, we will start with, NOR gate. Using NOR, you must be able to produce NOT. You must be able to produce AND. You must be able to produce OR. And even NAND, whatever it is. Everything must be able to, must be the product using NOR gate. Otherwise, how can we call it as universal? Using NOR, if you want to get, first we will try to construct NOT. NOT gate using NOR gate. Sir, can we construct NOT gate using NOR gate? Sir, NOR gate has 2 inputs. But NOT gate must have only 1 input. What we will do, sir? Tie them together. Tie the inputs together, short it. Now you will have only 1 input. If you give 1 input to when both are tied together, both will have the same inputs. So tie the inputs of using NOR. Using NOR, we are writing NOT gate. Okay. What you can do is tie the inputs of NOR gate. This is NOR, correct? Tie the inputs, make it single one. So when you make the inputs of NOR gate single, see here, what happens? If you give 0 here, both will get 0. If you give 1 here, both will get 1. That's all. So, but will it act like a NOT gate, sir? Yes, you see. Now, if you tie the inputs of NOR gate and do it like this, you are having the possibility, or you are getting the opportunity of giving only 1 type of input. You can't have 4 possible combinations. Either you should give 0, 0, or you should give 1, 1. You can't give 1, 0 and 1, 1 because they both are tied together. Whatever you give here, it should go to both, isn't it? So either you can give 0, 0 or 1, 1. Now go to the truth table of NOR gate. What is the output? You see, when both are zeros, what is the output of NOR gate? 1, correct? When both are 1s, output is 0. Is it not a NOT gate? Did you follow? See, when you tie the inputs of NOR gates, 2 inputs of NOR gate, you have only 1 input. That means you are allowed to supply both 1 or both 0. You can't give one and another 0. Not possible because they are tied together. That means you have to check either this one or this one. Nothing else. What is the output? Complemented. What is the output? Complemented. That means if you tie the inputs of NOR gate, it is a NOT gate. If you give 0 here, both will be 0 and output is 1. Is it so? 0, 0, 1. If you give 1 here, both the inputs are 1, you will get output 0. Is it so? Yes. So this is a NOT gate. So in symbols, you can write it like this. A, Y is equal to A bar. Is it not so? It's a beauty. So you can write A bar. And another thing, even NAND gate gives the same type, right? You see, when in 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Not this one, AND gate. NAND gate, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here also, if you tie the inputs of NAND gate together, you will get output ulta. So NOT gate using NOR gates. Sir, you called NOR gate as a universal gate. You must be able to construct OR and not everything. You have proved only NOT. Now can you construct OR gate using second one? OR gate using NOR gate. Yes, possible. How to construct OR gate using NOR gate? You see, in NOR gate, already OR is complemented, correct? Whatever the output of OR gate, it is complemented. Complement it again, you will get again back. 0 is made 1 in NOR gate by connecting a NOT gate, correct? I want OR back, what I can do? Complement it again. 1 is made 0, you will get it. 0 is made 1, like this. That means, how to complement this again? Connect another NOT gate. So, if you want OR gate using NAND gate, a NOR gate, take a NOR gate. What is the output of NOR gate? A, B, A or B bar. It is complemented already because you are using not OR gate, we are using NOR gate. A plus B bar. Now how to get OR again? Connect a NOT gate. Sir, how to connect a NOT gate? NOT gate using NOR gate only. So like this, another NOT gate. This NOT gate, because remember we are proving that NOR gate is a universal gate. Using NOR gates, you can construct any gate. Don't connect a NOT, this NOT. Connect a NOT gate using NOR gate only, because all are of same variety. So this is complemented again. A plus B bar bar, which is nothing but A plus B. What is A plus B bar bar? 0 bar bar. What is 0 bar bar? 0 bar bar means 0 bar is 1 bar. 0 bar is 1 bar. That is 0. Again the same. So A plus B bar bar. Twice if it is complemented, you will get back the same original value. A bar. Again bar. A. So A plus B whole bar is A plus B. This is how do we get OR gate using NOR gate. Now how do you get which gate? AND gate. This is very interesting now. AND gate using NOR gate. Now what you have to do is here, before going to this, you must know a theorem. Of course, I will explain it later. What you have to do, I will tell you. Take a NOR gate, connect two NOT gates to the input of NOR gate. You will get AND gate. So take a NOR gate like this, like this. Connect two NOT gates. How to connect the NOT gates? NOT gates are connected like this, like this. One NOT gate here, okay, and another NOT gate here, like this and like this, like this. A, B, and what is here? A. Here A bar, here B bar. Of course, I want to. If you want to prove this, I have to go for another theorem. This is NOT gate. One NOT gate. You see, how can you construct NOT gate using NOR gate? One NOT gate to the input, another NOT gate to the input, but both NOT gates constructed using NOR gate. A bar, B bar. What you will have here? It is A bar plus B bar whole bar. So isn't it right? It is NOR gate. Yes. If you are confused, you can do it like this. Take this as X. Take this as Y. What you will get here? X plus Y whole bar. Correct? What is X plus Y whole bar? A bar plus B bar bar. Sir, is it AND A dot B? Yes. How do we prove that, sir? Very simple. I can do it like this. I'll rub everything and I'll revise it once, right? Because I don't know whether it has been mixed up or not. Whether you have learned it properly or whether it is mixed up totally, I don't know. So I will write using NOR gate, we are constructing AND. Right? We should get AND gate. Yes, you see here. This one input. So you should have one NOR gate here. Right? Another NOR gate. Both will act like a NOT gate since their inputs are shorted. And that is given to another NOR gate. It looks very beautiful, right? Like a kite. Or you can compare it to the earring, right? So nowadays we have some earrings maybe made of some paper craft or something. So you can take this and you can have this and you can have it in your ears. It's very beautiful. And even boys may wear it because nowadays fashion has no limits and anybody can do anything. A bar, B bar, and here A bar plus B bar whole bar, because this is an OR gate. X plus Y whole bar, A bar plus B bar whole bar. Now, if this is AND, then this should be A dot B, correct? Sir, whether it is A dot B? Yes. We have two theorems here. They are called De Morgan's theorem. Of course, I am going some bit away from the syllabus, but it is easy to understand. Nothing difficulty here. De Morgan theorems, not in the syllabus. Not in the syllabus, but just to understand. If you have A plus B bar, complement of the sum means it is not our ordinary sum, logic sum. Complement of the sum is equal to product of complements, complement of each and then their product. This is sum and its complement. Complement of the product is equal to sum of the complements. This is the answer, right? Complement of the sum is equal to product of complements. A plus B bar whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar, and A dot B whole bar, complement of the product, is equal to sum of the complements. Each complement sum. Now will you use this here to get this answer? See, A bar plus B bar, or if I take this as X, this as Y, what is the answer? This is NOR gate X plus Y bar, because it is the NOT gate here, X plus Y bar. Now shall I write X plus Y bar as X bar dot Y bar, isn't it? X plus Y whole bar is X bar dot Y bar. Now what is X actually? X is actually A bar. X is A bar, there is one more bar, dot. Y is B bar, there is one more bar here. Y bar, B bar, bar. What is bar bar? 0 bar 1, again bar 0. You will get back the original value. A dot B. This is how we do that. So using NOR gate, NOT gate, OR gate and AND gate. Now using NAND gate, OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate, we have to construct it. We will do that now only. Then we will revise it in the next class. Of course, all of a sudden you will get confused. But when we go to NAND gate, I think you may be able to follow. Yeah. We will write all the cases of AND gate, then we will do that. We will write AND gate first. What are the things involved in the AND gate? Then we will go to NAND gate, and then using NAND gates we will do it. So revise once AND gate. What is AND gate? AND gate is a logic circuit which gives output when all the inputs are ones, A, B and everything. Okay. So A, inputs, output. This is for AND. A, B, Y is equal to A dot B. It is AND. All possible combinations 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Only when this is 1, both are ones, output is 1. You know that. Only when both the switches are on, you will get the circuit on, because switches are in series. If one switch is off, gone. 0, 0, 0. Now, what is NAND? This is AND. A, B, Y is equal to A dot B. One thing you can do, you can write it along with me, right? Better you write it along with me, otherwise you will never follow it. This is A dot B. How do you write NAND? NAND gate. Symbol, you have to complement it. One NOT gate at the output. Of course, if you want to show the logical circuit, you have to show the NOT gate here. A, B, Y is equal to A dot B bar. So how is the truth table? I will extend this and I will write it here only. Of course, if you are asked, you have to write A, B and output separately. Output is Y is equal to A dot B bar. That means it is 1, 1, 1, 0. Now you see these two. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Is it not a NOT gate? What the thing you have to do is, you have to tie the inputs of NAND gates. So using NAND gate, we are constructing NOT gate. Using NAND, construct NOT. NOT gate using NAND gate. What you have to do? Tie the inputs of NAND gate. When you tie the inputs of NAND gate, NAND means you should have a bubble here. Tie the inputs like this. So you can have only one input now, A. Because if you give 0, both will get 0. If you give 1, both will get 1. But when both are zeros, output is ulta. One output is ulta. So shall I write y is equal to a bar? Right? If we tie the inputs of NAND gates, you will NAND gate, you will get an output which is not the inputs complemented. You got it? Now using NAND gate, AND gate, very simple. What you can do? Already in NAND gate, AND gate is complemented. Complement it again. That means connect another NOT gate. Already in NAND gate, in AND gate, output is connected to a NOT gate, correct? Already this A dot B is made, A dot B bar here. Connect another NOT gate. What you will get? A dot B bar bar 2 times. You will get A dot B. So what we will get? Take an AND gate. Okay, bubble. Connect a NOT gate, but that NOT gate should be made up of NAND gates only. Shorted input NAND gate, because we are going to prove that only NAND gates can construct a NOT gate, an AND gate. So you have to use NAND gate only. A, B, what is here? A dot B bar. Now both will get A dot B bar. What is this? A dot B bar bar, that is equal to A dot B. So you will get A dot B, right? So using AND gate, using NAND gate, you have constructed AND gate. Third one, OR gate. Now comes the interesting story as we had earlier. So what did we do for constructing OR gate? AND gate using NOR gate. Do you remember? OR gate using NOR gate. NOR gate was taken, NOR gate, and we connected 2 NOT gates here. Okay, 2 NOT gates like this. Ear ring. Remember ear ring? 1 NOT gate, another NOT gate. Like this. So that gave you output OR gate. Remember it? A, B. A bar, B bar. So what was this? Was taken as Y, and this was taken as X. This is NOR X or Y whole bar. But this is also equal to X or Y whole bar is equal to X bar dot Y bar. Remember? A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. That is called X bar. X bar is A bar bar dot Y bar. Y is B bar. B bar bar. That is equal to A dot B. And this was AND gate. Totally. Now can you tell me how to construct OR gate using NOR gate? And NAND gate. Using NAND gate, how to construct OR gate? So I'll write it here. Take a NAND gate. Again, another beautiful ear ring. Take a NAND gate like this. Connect 2 NOT gates to the input. So where are NOT gates? Here. Using NAND gate only. So one input, okay, like this. One NOT gate, another NOT gate. Like this. Now what happens? This is A, this is B, this is A bar, this is B bar. What is the output here? Take this as X, take this as Y. What is the output here? X dot Y whole bar, isn't it? Because this is NAND. What is NAND? A dot B whole bar. But in the place of A dot B, we have A, X, B, A bar and B bar, X and Y, X dot Y whole bar. Now how can you extend this using De Morgan's theorem? X dot Y bar is equal to X bar plus Y bar. But this is equal to X bar. What is X bar? X bar is A bar bar, because X itself is A bar, X bar is another bar, Y itself is B bar, and Y bar is another bar. But A bar bar is A, B bar bar is B, A plus B. That is OR gate, right? This is OR gate using NAND gate. In the beginning it looks to be very complicated, but as you study it properly, all the logic gates, you will get the answer, right? So using NAND gate, you can construct NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate. Using NOR gate, you can construct NOT gate, OR gate, AND gate, everything. So that's why they are called universal gates. And every gate, its truth table and logic symbol, everything is important, because 1 or 2 mark question is guaranteed for the final exam. Even in the entrance exam, this part helps you a lot, because we will have some entrance exam questions, some so easy questions. You can answer it to the perfection, and you will get the full marks. So study them properly, I think I have not left with any gate. One gate is left with, that is XOR gate, and within with that I think we can finish. Yeah, XOR gate. What is XOR gate? That is a different type of logic gate. XOR gate is a logic gate which has I think I can finish it, and yeah. What is XOR gate? XOR gate is a logic gate which has got which gives output 1 when the inputs are different, and output 0 when the inputs are same, right? XOR gate. XOR gate sometimes we call XOR gate. Of course, this is also not included in the syllabus. XOR gate is a type of logic circuit, and its symbol is like this. I can't realize it using any other electrical circuit. XOR gate is a logical circuit which gives output y is equal to a circle sum b. I will just mention it just for your entrance exam knowledge. For theory exam, and or not, NAND NOR, that is enough. Even conversion from NAND to the different circuits are not included. So XOR gate is a logic circuit which gives output 1 when the inputs are different, and output 0 when the inputs are same. That means it is like this. Logic, yes. Here another division. Inputs, output. And A, B, Y is called A circle sum B. That is the symbol. XOR gate. And 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. What is output? When the inputs are different, output is 1. Different inputs. When the inputs are similar, output is 0. This is the type of XOR gate. So XOR gate is a logic gate which gives output 1 when the inputs are different, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. When the inputs are similar, it gives output 0. So that is another gate, and the symbol with the extra line here, OR gate, and a circle here. So that is XOR gate, and even XOR gate can be constructed using NAND and NOR gates. That's possible. So with this, we will have some more questions on entrance exam also. Very important chapter for entrance exam as well as theory exam. You can score up to the perfection. There is no mistake, because only the thing is you have to cultivate it again and again. All of a sudden in one single night you can't by heart all those things. And also you have to go along with theory. You shouldn't by heart it. What is the logic behind it? How it is constructed? Or how does it work? Accordingly you have to prepare the truth table. And one by one it is connected. If you know OR, you can write NOR. If you know NOR, you can construct another AND or NOT gate. So like that.